Holy! Well, we can't use that one, can we? They're all bent.
She's a bit bent. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video we're going to do some Fridays prep. We're going to try and take the Ute and all our other cars to the long weekend Fridays event coming up. So that would require replacing the gearbox. We're also going to replace the clutch. We're going to go back to a standard NPC clutch, so not standard but standard size. We're going to pull the gearbox and the clutch out of one of my old cars laying around here, and we're going to chuck that gearbox and that clutch in the Ute, and we're going to assess the damage in the Ute. Kind of curious as to what broke in that gearbox. So grab a drink, take a seat, and enjoy the video. Heaps yet. Yeah. 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 The old NPC clutch and gearbox from my old daily going in for now.
No hole yet, mate.
Oh yeah, bullshit. Oh, grass under here.
No hole, is he? Get the hammer.
I can't see one.
Hey, could have shot Jeremy. There's oil.
Where's the hole though?
Usually it's back here.
Yeah.
Nah, no hole.
Well, it leaked all the oil out somehow.
It's bottom end.
Righto.
Oh, your donuts and fuck. What talk, mate?
Holy!
Studs.
Well, we can't use that one, can we? They're all bent.
Bet them straight.
Look, they're all bent. That one.
Bet them
That one.
straight. Do you have a vibration, high speed?
I don't know, don't get fast enough.
It only does one lap and then it's broken.
Yeah, she's still holding up right. Gonna give it a rear main finally. And let's investigate the box, eh? She's a bit bent. Alright, and we are back for day 2. As everyone knows, working on cars, a quick 2-hour job very quickly turns into a 2-day job. Today we are going to finish up doing the brake tap, put the exhaust back on, finish the service, and hopefully get it running, and maybe even do a test burnout with the brake tap. So let's have a look at the little setup we've got going here. So that is our Aeroflow brake tap there. It's like be controlled in the car. I think it's also got so if you jump on the brakes, for example, and you turn the switch on, it'll return the pressure back to the master so that it doesn't jam on the back brakes or anything like that. So finally, it's going to be nice to have proper brake control whenever we want it. A lot of people also don't believe this car has 3 mufflers. Well, there's your proof right there. That's the system off this car. So we'll get back into some time lapses, get some more work done on this, and then maybe we'll get a test burnout done to test out the new brake tap. locked up.
Yeah, the front's definitely locked up.